What's going on, YouTube world? Welcome to my channel. I'm Adam from Beyond the Grid. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do this edit from a photo like this. So with 2018 upon us and I've already started booking my weddings for this year, a lot of brides have been looking for that really bright and really airy and almost desaturated look. So I pretty much had to go out and figure out how to do this, and it took me a while, but let's jump into this and I'll show you guys how I did it. But if you close your eyes. Alright guys, let's jump into this. A lot of people who do that bright and airy, they actually mess it up because they don't realize that you actually have to drop your exposure a little bit, and then I'm going to raise my contrast, draw my highlights, which kind of contradicts what I want to do with this photo, and then we're going to bring up the shadows, drop our whites, and then raise our blacks. Then we're going to drop our clarity and give that soft look, raise our vibrancy, and then drop our saturation just to counter what we did with the vibrancy. We're going to leave the tone curve for now just to see what really does with the HSLs. So let's raise up our reds. Let's raise our orange just a tad. Let's drop our yellows. Raise our greens a little bit because we'll get rid of the greens later. Aquas will bump up. Blues will bring down. And saturations, let's adjust all these ones and bring them down, most of them. Now let's drop the saturation on the greens because we want to give it that desaturated look, which will give it that bright and airy look. So let's raise up our aquas a little bit, drop our blues out, drop our reds, our oranges, leave our yellows, and let's bring back the green with the luminancy, and then drop our aquas, and let's drop our blues as well. Highlights and shadows we're going to leave alone. We're going to add a little bit of sharpening to the photo. And luminancy, we're actually going to be adding a lot here, around 84. Color, we're going to protect it a little bit. Let's go 25. Vignette, we're just going to add a small little -5. And it's good right there. Alright, let's adjust our reds, add some greens, and let's draw to saturation on the blue and the lens correction here. Now let's go back to our tone curve. We're going to add 3 points and then plus the 2 points on the ends. We're going to bring up the middle a little bit. Bring up our middle top point, drop our highlights, raise our shadows, and let's drop that point a little bit. Actually, you know what, let's bring this back up just a little bit. Yeah, right there looks pretty good. And then you know what? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, right there looks good. And actually, let's add some temperature. Let's drop that to -5. Yeah, right there. Alright guys, there you guys go. An easy way to do that new bright and airy look that everyone's going to be after in 2018. If you guys want to pick this up, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you guys can download it for free. I'm also going to be having the whole collection on my Etsy that's going to be for sale. If you guys want to check them out, link in the description as well. And as usual, if anything in this video helped you guys at all, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed, I mean, why aren't you? Hit that subscribe button. Help me out, guys. And as usual, until the next video, take care, everybody. Those lines you used to put your head in mine, wishing it would be